Alright, today I have the Anker 15-watt pocket-sized 3-in-1 charger that I'm going to be unboxing and setting up for you all. So here it is right here. It's pocket size. I don't believe it's larger than what the picture's showing. Those are some of the items that come along in it. I'm just going to open this up and show you what it's all about. It's MagSafe-compatible, 2 times faster, ultimate portability. Let's go ahead and open this backside. There's a piece of tape holding it together. And then I'm just going to go ahead and slide this out. Inside there is, looks like instruction manual. Read this before you operate your product. And what is this? This looks like power adapter. It says Anker right here, and there is a USB-C import port for it, and right here is the power cable. It's USB-C to USB-C. I think it's about maybe 2-3 meters, or no, 1 meter. 1 meter is about 3 feet, right? Yeah, it's about 1 meter long USB-C cable. That's all that's in there. Well, it's rubber band, save that for my hair. And here is the actual 3-in-1. Go ahead and open this up. Comes in some fancy tissue paper. And so on the side right here, there is the port for the USB-C plugging it in. Right there, there's a port. I believe that's what you use for charging it. The other end plugs into the adapter, which you plug into the wall. Right here. And I'm just going to unplug it for a second. And so the top right here is where you can charge. And then down here is, look at that. That's where you can put a watch. Okay, you can charge an Apple Watch right there. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. So I'm looking at this. It folds down there like that. So you can put your watch on this. All right, so I have it plugged in, and I'm going to start with my watch, my Apple Watch. I'm going to put it onto the back right there. You can see it's starting to charge the watch back there. I have Apple AirPods. I'm going to place them on the back of this, and it's charging the AirPods. And then the front, this is where the phone would go, this MagSafe. I'm just going to put the phone right here. And that is charging in of itself. So you're charging 3 different types of things with one charger, okay? So I'm charging the watch. I'm also charging the AirPods, and then I'm also charging my phone with the MagSafe. So this is the 3-in-1 Anker. This is how you set it up. Just plug it in, and then you can put all your devices on here and just start charging them. Pretty cool way, travel convenient. I'm gonna take this off, take off the AirPods, take off the phone, then plug it, you can close this, close that back, and put it away and travel light and compact. There's indicator light on the side. Basic instructions, read your instructions. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay charged up.